Barry McCoy here at McCoy Bad Boy Rods. We just finished up this Chris-Craft 385 horse engine. It's a complete rebuild. I've already posted one video of it running on YouTube, but before I put this thing in the boat, I just wanted to do a video on how to winterize it. Now, it looks like it might be spring here, but you never know when you're going to get a freeze. So we like to suck the RV antifreeze right from the bucket. That way it sends it through the pump and all the way through. So I'm going to start this thing up. Make sure you check out, before I do that, make sure you check out McCoy's Bad Boy Rods on Facebook. I have over 1,600 photos of custom stuff that we make, from motor builds to custom valve covers. We do flaming skulls, American flags. We manufacture a lot of parts that don't exist. So with that being said, we also have an Instagram at McCoy's Bad Boy Rods and our YouTube videos. So make sure you subscribe for upcoming videos, and also just to check out just different ways that we do things, and hit that like button. Here we go. Done. So now that you see it's come out here and it's all pink, we know that the block's full and all the crevices are filled, and that'll help condition the block until it's installed and ready to run on the lake. Once again, Barry McCoy, McCoy's Bad Boy Rods. If you have any needs for any custom machine valve covers or engine work, you can reach us at 260-637-2700. Thank you for watching my video. Make sure to click subscribe and like.